Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 5 of our video series in which we are learning various nature related terms in Korean language. We already learned a lot of terms in the first 4 parts of this video series. So if you have not watched those videos yet, I'm going to share the link of that particular playlist consisting of all those videos in the description. So you can go and watch them. So now in this video, we will learn the names of various natural disasters in Korean language. Okay, so let's start. First is the Korean word of natural disaster. What a natural disaster called in Korean language? Let's see that. That is 자연재해. 자연재해. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for earthquake, and that is 지진. 지진. Now let's see how to say hurricane in Korean language, and that is hurricane. Hurricane. You can see that this is a loan word, right? Next comes the Korean word for drought, and that is 가뭄. 가뭄. Now let's see how to say flood in Korean language, and that is 홍수. 홍수. Next comes the Korean word for tsunami, and that is tsunami. Tsunami. Here also tsunami is a loan word in Korean language. Now let's see how to say famine in Korean, and that is 기근. 기근. Next comes the Korean word for landslide, and that is 산사태. 산사태. Now let's see how to say cyclone in Korean language, and that is cyclone. Cyclone. Okay, it is also a loan word. Now comes the Korean word for forest fire, and that is 산불. 산불. Okay, so today we learned the names of various natural disasters in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.